This demonstration will show you how to get started with Python. We're going to look at the idle interactive development environment. We're going to look at the interactive shell. We're going to look at some arithmetic operators. So to start with, we need to open up the idle interactive development environment. So the way we do that is we can go to the search at the bottom here, type in idle, and there it appears. So we open up Python IDE there. Okay, so now that we've got this open, what you'll notice is that in this shell here, it'll tell us what version of Python we're using. This is important because we're using version 3 Python, not to be confused with Python version 2, because there are subtle differences and both are still being used. So just to be clear, we're using Python version 3 for this tutorial, for these sets of tutorials. We also have this prompt here, so these three chevrons here indicating our prompt. And this whole window here, this is our interactive shell. So what we're going to do now is we're going to just do some basic commands in here. And the basic commands we're going to use this as a very basic calculate. So let's just choose a few numbers, a few operators, and just see what we can do with this. So let's start by adding a couple of numbers together. So let's just do 9 plus, oops, 9 plus 3 gives us 12. Okay, so we've got to do 9 minus 3. You can see how that works. So as in all programming languages, we've got the star, which is multiply, and for division we use backslash, so 9 divided by 4. There's a couple of other operators that we really need to know how they're used. So we have also the double slash, which is an integer division. So if we were to do 9 integer divide by 4, that should give us 2, but it won't give us the remainder value. Okay, so that's integer division, so it'll always round down for us. And the other operator that we need to know about is the mod operator, which allows us to find out the remainder. So if we do 9 mod 4 now, so the remainder of this is going to be 1. So those are the useful operators that we need to know how they work. Those are the basic ones, but they're all incredibly useful. And what we've shown in this session is how to use the interactive shell just simply by typing in numbers and operators on the prompt here. We've been able to use the interactive shell. Thank you.